So hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be making this delicious coleslaw recipe. Yes guys, cabbage coleslaw, Jamaican coleslaw recipe. So if you're not subscribers yet, please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment and share guys. So guys, to make my cabbage coleslaw recipe or my Jamaican style coleslaw recipe, I'm going to be using two different types of cabbage. We normally use just the white cabbage here in Jamaica, but since I have purple cabbage, I'm just going to put some into it also. So we're going to use some white cabbage, some purple cabbage, a large carrot, and some bell peppers, red and green bell peppers. So if you're a Jamaican, you know we always make our coleslaw on Sundays with our rice and peas, right? And this is how we make our Jamaican coleslaw. So first I'm going to shred the cabbage, and then I'm going to set it aside and grate the carrots and also chop the sweet peppers, the bell peppers. So guys, when we're shredding the cabbage, we're not going to use this part. We call this part the heart of the cabbage, right? We're just going to throw that part away. And then this is my cabbage, purple and white cabbage. If you don't have purple cabbage, feel free to just use white cabbage. Now we're going to shred our carrots. I'm not going to use the small side. I'm going to use the bigger side, as you can see. And then we're going to chop our bell peppers. And I'm also going to show you a simple sauce with only 3 ingredients that I make for this Jamaican coleslaw recipe. So now for our sauce guys, I use 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, and then I add some water, about 1/4 cup of water, and then we just combine it together and make our simple coleslaw, Jamaican coleslaw sauce. That's all we use here in Jamaica: some sugar, some vinegar, and some water. If we don't have any mayonnaise, right? We just mix it together and just add it to our delicious coleslaw recipe and combine everything together and enjoy. So now we're going to add this simple sauce to the coleslaw and combine it together guys. Ensure that the sugar is dissolved properly, because you don't want to add it to the coleslaw recipe and then you have lumps of sugar. So we want it to be dissolved. Then we add the sauce to the coleslaw. And don't forget to like guys, comment, share, and tell a friend to tell a friend about Ronica's kitchen, right? And also, if you try this coleslaw recipe, leave a comment and tell me what you think about this coleslaw recipe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.